Welcome, today I am with Mercedes E-Class AMG Key and I will show you how we can replace the batteries. So at the first we have to focus on this part of our key, and at the first we have to press hard this button. When this part jumps out, we have to pull it like that, and then we have to click and hold this button again. So let's make it right now, click and hold, and then we have to remove this key. With this key we can manually open our for example E63s Mercedes, and right now if you want to open this key you have to focus on this part and we have to push that part forward. So let's squeeze it like that and then push it like that forward, and as you can see right now we are inside, and then we have to put our manual key in this place and then push it forward. Okay, and when it's enabled we are able to use our fingernail and remove it just like that, and the batteries we can find in this place. So to put it back, just take a look. You have to put it right here. Next we have to focus on this plastic part. So with this trace we have to put it here. And then push a little bit and it jumps back. And right now we have to grab our manual key, press this button, put it back, then release, and after that we have to press this button one more time and press it inside. After that, when we completely input this manual key inside, this button will jump out. So as you can see, that's how we can replace batteries in this Mercedes E-Class AMG car. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.